guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trendalor. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about how you can make your black soap, or will I call it black exfoliating soap. This soap is an exfoliator or exfoliator. It's going to help exfoliate your skin. It's just like scrub, but it doesn't have those grains. It's a black soap actually, but the ingredients used are what makes it a black exfoliating soap. So you guys remember in one of my videos, I showed you guys a video of how to make your lightening or whitening black soap. So this is still that soap. I kept this one for this video. So you can follow the ingredients. If you want to make the soap from fresh, you can go check out the video. I'm going to leave the link below on the description box so you can check it out. And for someone told me then that I was putting bleaching powder inside. Bleaching powder is a no, and then she gave me a thumbs down, in the like section. That bleaching powder, funny enough, it's not strong as the name. The bleaching powder, a dark person can even add it to the soap, and then the person will not even get fair. These things need different additives to make everything effective. It's not like it doesn't work. It works, but it's not as fast or as the name sounds like bleaching powder. The blue bleaching powder is more active than the white, and I used the white in that video. So if you want to add, it's not a must that you must add the bleaching powder to it. You must not add bleaching powder. If you feel you're okay with it, fine, add it. If you feel you're not okay with it, then fine, don't add it. It's okay. It's depending on what you like. So this soap is it's a soap I took from that, the soap I made. So this soap is going to exfoliate your skin, and the key word in it is moisturize after you use the soap. Always moisturize. Make sure you moisturize your skin. I always make emphasis on moisturizing. Always moisturize. When you exfoliate your skin, it dries out the skin, and you don't want your skin to start being scaly or having problems or being too dried. When your skin is dried, your skin is it tends to be itchy, so your skin will start getting itchy. So guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trendalor. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. So to this ingredient, the first thing I'm going to be adding is my alum powder. So alum powder, it helps in tightening and whitening the skin. Yes guys, it does whiten the skin. So it causes the cell to shrink and removes excess oil from the skin, making it effective for the reduction of acne scars and pigmentation marks. So that's the work of alum powder. So yeah, I added, this is 700 ml. The soap I'm making 700 ml. So I added 2 tablespoons of the alum powder, and here also is licorice powder. This is white licorice powder. So white licorice powder is a natural skin whitener, whitening powder. It lightens the skin, and then so it's a natural skin lightening additive. It's something that you can alternate instead of using harsh or dangerous chemical. It's something that you can use in place of hydroquinone. And then it contains gabardine, which is known as the skin lightening properties to leave your face really brightened. So the next one I'm going to be adding is malic acid. I talked about malic acid for scrub, guys. This is how malic acid looks like. Anyways, malic acid, so for the licorice, guys, the licorice, you're going to add 2 tablespoons to it. Sorry, I'm not measuring, I know the measurement in my head. And then malic acid is also known to host benefits of improving skin texture. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It promotes shedding of the outer layer cells, exfoliating and then rebuilding this cells, the skin cells, which is exfoliation. So this clay drags out impurity from the skin. So this is a really strong exfoliator. It drags out, like what I call excess oil from the skin. Those people that suffer from acne, strong pimples and all that, have oily skin, this clay is good for you. And again, they said, or I read, or research says that this bentonite clay, when they put it in sunscreen, is way better than those that does not have sunscreen. That this one works extremely well. So you can even use it as a mask. You just mix it with water and then apply on your face, and then it's going to drag out all the impurities and all the excess oil from your skin. Next, so we're going to add 2 tablespoons as well. And then the next one we're going to add is glycerin. Glycerin, add 2 tablespoons. And then I'm using what's the name of this oil again? Anyway, you guys can see the oil. I don't know why I can't remember. So yeah, that's the oil actually. If I remember the name, I'm going to putting everything in the description box actually. Yeah, Jolly Tonic. Yeah, that's the name, Jolly Tonic. So the Jolly Tonic, I'm going to be adding roughly 2 or 3 tablespoons. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm just using this one because it's very effective and I just needed something inside like that. This is not pure organic, guys. It's not pure organic. Okay, there are still some oils. When you're doing whitening and lightening body black soap, not everything is organic. You have to also add some oils, but when you're adding oils, you're not going to add harsh oils inside. You're going to add like cool, calm oils that are really great for your skin. They're not going to cause any harm or give you any knuckles and all that. So this soap actually, guys, if you're using it every day, I would not advise that you use it on your face. So if you want to use on your face, I will advise just use it like maybe that's the way you're using your scrub. So you can use it maybe 2 or 3 times a day, and then use at night because it's going to exfoliate. And then in the morning, always use your sunscreen. So you're going to mix it very well. It looks soft, but now after 24 hours, right now the thing is looking stronger. Yeah, this is just the part. It's going to look really soft. Yeah, another thing, guys, the soap, this is a propylene glycol, and that's my friend helping me mix it. So for the propylene glycol, I always talk about propylene glycol, that it's something that makes cream work. It makes the cream or whatever you're using penetrate in your skin. So the reason why I added it to the soap is because you need it to go in deep and then do the work. If you don't add propylene glycol to your things, you start having patches and all that. So my favorite tea tree oil, I added some few drops of tea tree oil in it to help with pimples. Everything here, it helps with pimples and all that. So we're boosting it all up, like, so that you can have that perfect, clean, fresh skin, guys. So you can see that it's already soft. Trust me, after I left it for 24 hours, it was strong. And then something I noticed, it did not foam. So it didn't foam, so I had to add, it's not fresh. I didn't make it from scratch. It was a soap I've already made, I took from. So what you're going to do, what I did actually is I added the Ghana white balls. If you check the other video too, you'll see Ghana white balls there. I added the Ghana white balls. I added over This is 700 ml. I added I think, yeah, 6 of it. So you mix, and that's your soap. Thank you guys. Bye.